From a driver that didn't want to miss his exit and almost caused an accident, and a crazy school bus driver fleeing the police, to a crazy hit and run that scared the crap out of this driver. Here are incredible dash cam clips you won't believe. Have you ever seen a police chase on a golf course? Now you have.
After you left.
Oh my God! Someone just lost ladders! Someone just lost ladders! Oh my God! Oh my God! Someone just lost 2 ladders.
Off their truck.
Yeah, hold on.
Thief wreaks havoc while trying to escape this police trooper. Last time I checked, this is not what school buses were made for.
Look at that sign. The Phoenix market is experiencing a temporary fuel supply shortage. Whoa! Whoa!
This is what I call a perfect pit maneuver.
Let me know if you go north. I'm on 44th Avenue, 46th Street.
Ciao.
Entitled drivers have to be the most dangerous type of them all. Because this looks like a train track, none of these drivers were supposed to be on this lane.
West 53rd Street. Coming back up University.
I hope this guy got the other car's plate, because it doesn't look like he's stopping.
Pero al menos va dar un mensaje. Ya depende de ellos, ¿verdad?
Is this what a typical California driver is like?
So that's like you gotta acquire, equivalent all that. So, and then suddenly you're like, okay, well, do I want to go?
Jesus.
Okay, do I need an outside? Do I need an inside?
God.
Okay, that took a long time. So here's your car guy. You're suspended. You have not taken you to jail. I'm letting you drive off.
At least they have an ambulance right there at the crash scene. This is why I never drive behind flatbeds hauling stuff.
What the fuck? Oh.
This officer accidentally performed a pit maneuver on another officer. This is all for today's video. If you like this, make sure to subscribe for more epic videos like this one. See you next time.